We're here at Steve Webb Models for an unboxing of this brand new Star Wars Unlimited card trading game. Let's see what we get in these packs. So we'll start with these loose packs. We'll just pop the booster pack over there. So let's see. Let's just whiz through the common cards and have a look at the rarer ones. In pack 1 we got mainly common cards, but these 3 uncommons and also this rare. Let's see with this one. In pack 2 we again got 11 common cards and 4 uncommons, one of them being this foil print and this one rare. Okay, next pack. In pack 3 we got 12 common cards, one of which was a foil print, 3 uncommon cards and this rare. So let's see what we get in this starter box, and this is a pre-release set, so let's see. So in this box we get a further 6 booster packs, 2 pre-release promo cards, 19 counters, some quick start rules, a deck building guide, a divider and a deluxe deck box. So in the first of these packs, our pack 4, we got 11 common cards, these 3 uncommons including this one foil print and this rare Saw Gerrera. In pack 5 we again got 12 common cards, one of which was a foil print, these 4 uncommon cards and this one rare. Next pack. In pack 6 we get 12 commons, one of which printed on foil, these 3 uncommons and this rare. So let's have a look at the next pack. Then with pack 7 we got a really good one, and straight out the pack was this rare, followed by 10 common cards, one of which was a hyperspace print, these 3 uncommons, another rare and this legendary. Look at the next deck. Okay, next pack. When we open pack 8 we got 11 common cards, one was a hyperspace print and these 4 uncommons, one of which was this foil print along with one rare. The last one. And for our last pack 9, before we go and build our deck, we got 11 commons, one of which was a hyperspace print and these 4 uncommons, one of which again was this foil and one rare base. And don't forget, it's not just about collecting these cards, as Star Wars Unlimited is a fun, fast-paced card game for 2 or more players to battle it out. The 2-player starter packs with the 2 ready-built decks, the play mats, and all the damage tokens and everything you need to play the game, and also the booster packs, are available here in the shop at Steve Webb Models, and I'll pop a link in the description below.